I look good at that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you join the family. I would truly appreciate it. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you know when I'm posting. Today is going to be a little different. I made a few changes to my foundation routine. I'm not going to go into like explaining how I put on my foundation and stuff like that, but I'm just going to show you guys what I've been doing different. So I'm just going to get into this and explain things as I go along because I don't want this video to be too long. So today I'm just going in with one primer. This is the Wet n Wild matte primer. It's a matte finish. So I think it's time for me to get a new primer because, or some new primers, because I've noticed lately that my minimizing pores, my Smashbox, is not making me look as flawless as some of my other primers, like my flawless primers, like my flawless face primers and primers that are supposed to like make the skin look smoother. My minimizing doesn't do as well, so I'm going to start trying different primers soon. So today I'm just going in with the Can't Stop Won't Stop from NYX. Nothing special. I've been using this a lot lately. I really like this foundation. I just put it on the back of my hand. I'm going in with a damp beauty sponge. The coverage on this foundation is amazing. I'm just getting a little bit more. So lately I've been letting my foundation kind of set in before I move into concealing and contouring if I contour. But while I let that happen, I'm going to explain to you guys what the difference in my foundation routine is, what a little, like, here's the change. So I normally, like everybody else, put on my concealer after putting on foundation and then I will contour. Lately I've been doing my contour first. I don't remember who I heard say they do this. I want to say it was a Fenty makeup artist. I believe it was a Fenty makeup artist. But I tried it after I heard them saying that, and I was just like, let me see how that works for myself. Because sometimes when I do my concealer, I'm using my concealer to highlight my skin. So I end up doing too much with my concealer, and I feel like when I do my contour first, it allows me to conceal more correctly, if that makes sense. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I go about doing my contour first and then my concealer. So today I want to kind of give myself a really deep contour. I will be going kind of heavy with it. You definitely do not need to do that if that's not you, but I'm gonna go in heavy with my contour. So I'm gonna be using Fenty's Fenty's Match Stick today in the shade Espresso. I'm so excited for her new products that are coming out really soon. I think this Friday. I think they'll be out Friday. This week, the 11th. It'll be released. So I'm really excited for that. But today I'm going to be using her matchstick in the shade Espresso. And I'm just going to take I'm going to bring it up high. I'm going to take my contour like where my eye is. And if I pull my face to the side, I can see a line. And I'm just going to follow that line. If you don't own any Fenty products, this is connecting to my earring because they're magnetic. So if you didn't know that, her products are magnetic to each other and my earrings. So I'm going to pull it from here. Normally I go from like here, but because I want my face to kind of lift up, I'm going to bring it from here. And I'm going to follow that line. Not all the way to my mouth, but pretty close. So basically, I just carved out everything that I want to look like is sucked in. Like, I look kind of I don't know what that pause was. I'm sorry, it's early. I'm trying to get 2 videos done today, so you will see me in this same stuff in the next video. I'm just doing my foundation for this video, and then the next video will be, you'll have to watch. But first I go in with this small blending brush. This is a Selfie Ready Blending Perfector. I don't know what that means. I don't know why it's called that. I wish I did, but I don't. But I use this to contour, to blend out my smaller places. So like my nose, here under my lip, here above my lip, my eyes, and this new spot that I've never contoured before, but I've been interested in doing it, so I thought today was the best day. Better time to do it than any. So I take this and I just blend everything, and then I take another brush or my beauty sponge and I contour my cheeks. So I'm just gonna speed past this because it's nothing special. You guys know how to blend. I know how to blend. Let's blend, 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 blend. And I blend until it really seems like it's just gone. I know I said I was gonna speed past this, but I have a few things that I want to say while I'm doing this. The way that I blend my nose is mostly circular, but then I kind of just, that's not a circle. That's just me up and down, back and forth. And I do that to, as you can see, like it's blending and fading like I want it to. And then I kind of come up and go back into circles with this. Now I'm gonna speed past. Now that we've got our contour blended out, it's time to go in with our concealer. And as you can see, like it already looks really chiseled. So like if you're not a concealer type person and you put it on your contour, you could be done if you wanted to be. But I'm a concealer girl, so we're going in with concealer, and I finally got a new one. I'm excited to be using it. So the reason that I feel like this works better than having my concealer on first is because I can see, like sometimes I bring my concealer all the way down like to here, and that's not necessary. So I can focus on making sure that it stays in the right spots and blending it to my contour. And like sometimes, like if today how I want to do a chiseled look, sometimes I bring this like my concealer around here either too high or too low, but because my contour is already done, I don't have to worry about making sure that it's too low because I can see where I need to put it, you know? And I just want to mention, so when I contoured my nose, I did a line here and lines here. So I'm just going to put one little dot in the middle here and make sure to get the rest of it so that I'm not erasing that. So now I feel like my contour is in the right places, because like when I do my cheeks here, this area, I normally go like that. My line goes like this instead of up. But because I know how I want my contour to be, I can follow it instead of having to follow my concealer for my contour, if that makes sense. I'm going in with this damp beauty sponge, just gonna blend all of this out. Now I go in with powder. So because I want this look to be really chiseled, as you can see, I'm pretty much there. I'm gonna just set this. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. So I let that sit on my face for a little bit. Now I'm gonna take this poofy brush, powder brush. This is a 101 from e.l.f. I love the way these brushes are. I'm gonna get more, but I really needed to get this one. So this is the only one from that line, I guess, that I have from e.l.f. But anyway, I take this poofy brush. It's really poofy. And I'm going to take my, what would be my bronzer situation. So this is the L'Oreal True Match powder. And I'm just going to not swirl it, just pounce on it and pounce my cheeks. Taking that same brush, I'm just gonna kind of wipe away that bake, blend it anyway, so that we don't have such harsh lines and we still look chiseled. So that is my new foundation routine. And when I say foundation routine, I'm meaning my foundation, my contour, my concealer. That is my new foundation routine, and I just wanted to share that with you guys, because I feel like it looks a little more clean. It looks a little more natural. Of course, everything comes together when you add blush and highlighter and everything. But if I wanted to go out like this, I feel like I could, because it looks a lot better. Whereas when you put your contour on top of your concealer, it looks very cakey. I don't know, it just looks different to me. It looks better to me this way, and I hope you guys got some tips from it. I hope I inspired you guys to do something. My nose is snatched. If you guys want to see how I contour my nose, like, I know you just kind of saw it, but if you would like for me to go in detail with that, let me know down in the comment section, because I'm getting better at it. I'm getting really good at it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys got some tips out of it. I hope you're able to take some things that I did and incorporate them into your base routine. We'll just call it a base routine. But yeah, if you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.